Hello everyone, welcome to Mocking Sapien. My name is Tanay and today we are going to talk about the US elections. So I'm a little late on this video, but better late than never. Joe Biden has crossed the 270 mark. So Joe Biden is going to become the next president and Kamala Harris is going to become the vice president, not to be confused with Kamala Pasand. So I'm not going to get into a lot of details regarding the various issues in the US electoral system where it comes winner takes all, then swing states. So I'm not going to talk about the pros and cons of all these things and what happened and how Biden run the campaign and how Trump run the campaign. And I'm not getting into those details. So it's a very light-hearted video. I think you guys might have seen other videos and got to know a lot about it and how the US electoral system works and what are its downsides. So I'm just going to mostly cover the stuff which Donald Trump said abroad and then the media coverage in India. And the one and only Jaggi Bhai. That guy to bhai has opinions on everything. So that has to be covered, right? So that will be there. So after Biden won the elections, the Democrat supporters partied hard. I like how she made a statement and just bounced. Fuck Donald Trump! And just leaves. Trump, as you know, was, on a roll of spreading fake news. So on Twitter, you can see the amount of tweets he made. All were flagged by Twitter saying that it's false. So bhai was a legend. Even before the election results were declared, Donald Trump declared himself as the president and the winner. This is Donald Trump. Dolan Trump.
Donald Trump.
This is a fraud on the American public. This is an embarrassment to our country. We were getting ready to win this election. Frankly, we did win this election.
So Donald Trump's personal lawyer goes to Philadelphia and says that, we are so much in lead over there. And, how can you still continue counting? So much counting has been done. The rest of the counting, don't do it because Donald Trump is winning. Because he already has a lead.
How many votes do we have to be ahead? 400,000 is not enough? With 80+% counted, I think there's only 14% of the vote to go. Do you think we're stupid? You think we're fools?
Fools, you all are fools. You public? What do you think they are? So there are a bunch of Donald Trump bhakts over there also. And they are also legendary. So wherever Donald Trump was winning, they were like, stop the count, stop the count. Stop the count, stop the count, stop the count. Whereas wherever Joe Biden was winning, this is what they were saying. Oh yeah. Democracy, bitch. One video mein one random Trump supporter comes and starts saying things.
The Biden crime family stealing the election. The media's covering up. The Biden crime family stealing this election. The media's covering up. The Biden crime family stealing this election. The media's covering up. We want our freedom for the world. Give us our freedom, Joe Biden. Your Biden's covering up this election. He's stealing it. Where were we? What was the last question?
I like how he just randomly went back to the press conference. He's like, anyway, where were we? That guy also comes with all charged up. Starts saying things and he expects security to come and take him off from there. No one came. He himself shut his mouth and left. So there were a lot of fake news being spread. Even Donald Trump's son was putting up that, Trump's ballot was being put on fire and all that. And a lot of fake news went on, which it was busted later on and none of it was true. So this went on. And then it comes to the Indian media. Indian media, legendary. Before Biden's win, they were all criticizing Biden. All of them like, Arey, Biden Pakistani, Biden this, Biden that. Rashtravad जीतेगा या मुस्लिम कार्ड? कौन जीतेगा बे? बाइडन ये मुस्लिम कार्ड खेलता है हमेशा. Trump, on the other hand, Rashtrawaadi. Modi ji had given so much support to Trump bhai. Namaste Trump. Mr. Donald Trump.
Donald Trump!
And after Joe Biden won, Z News on this. दोस्त वही सोच नहीं. ये पलटी है. Oh my god. Then this one also. The Hop India is also legendary. है. One side where they're like, ये Pakistani award this Joe Biden got. Now he's like, staffer in Joe Biden's campaign staff is a strong supporter of Narendra Modi. Read details. Go read the details, you idiots. बहुत best friends. Bestest friends. TV9 also start showing best friendship between Joe Biden and Modi ji.
और इन तस्वीरों में आप देख सकते हैं जो बाइडेन और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के बीच की केमिस्ट्री कैसी थी.
केमिस्ट्री है ना, केमिस्ट्री. बहुत बचपन के दोस्त थे वे. चड्डी बड्डीज. But Indian media knows to take steps further in this also.
अमेरिका का अगला राष्ट्रपति कौन? क्या प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ही ये तय करने वाले हैं?
मोदी जी तय करते सब. यूएस के प्रेसिडेंट भी मोदी जी तय करेंगे. सब कुछ मोदी जी तय करेंगे. हैं? हमें दिन में क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, सब मोदी जी ही. मोदी जी इज द लेजेंड who decides everything. यूएस का प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन मोदी जी इज गोना डिसाइड नाउ. अरे भाई जी न्यूज की तो. Now let's come to Jaggi Bhai. Jaggi Bhai has to give opinions on everything. So people before the elections were like, who should we vote for? Who? Jaggi Bhai always likes to start with the very basics of things.
What is voting?
What is voting? Do you know what is voting? Eh? Eh? Do you even know what is voting? You illiterate people, you come here and ask me things. What is voting? Whom should I vote? What is voting? Like, start with the fundamental basics of life. Then Jaggi Bhai even says you have only one vote. One vote. Whether what color, you can just vote once, not twice.
The most important aspect of a democratic society is that you have a franchise. You may be white, black, yellow or blue. You have only one vote. All right? Hello? You have only one vote. Because of your skin color or the size of your brain or because of your hairstyle, you don't get two.
समझे क्या? 2 votes नहीं मिलते बे. Try how much you want. Only one. You get only one vote. Use it. Use it wisely. Then Jaggi Bhai also explains in countries how election works. After how many years does the government change?
In this country, 4 years, in India it's 5 years, some places it's 6 years. Once in 4, 5 or 6 years, you can choose who should rule this country. People can choose. I may not like this person, but if people elect him, we should bow down to the will of the people. That much humility we must have, that much sense of giving and taking we must have in the society. No, from first day you say, no, we don't like it. That means you don't like democracy.
If you don't like the elected person, you don't like democracy because you don't like the will of the people. You should stop complaining and start accepting and bowing down to whichever government comes. A Jaggi Bhai giving advice.
But today there's enough information what they have done in the last 4 years. So you must look from your intelligence, from your choices, and you must choose individually.
The whole video me he gave one good advice is that whatever work has been done from the past couple of years, you must read about it, understand and then go and vote. So this one, I will appreciate Jaggi Bhai for giving this tip. I hope he gives this tip in India also so that people see what work has been done in the past 5 years and give vote according to that. इंडिया में भी ये टिप्स दे दो ना भाई, थोड़ा सा आपके लोगों को थोड़ा सा मदद होगा, सेंस आएगा थोड़ा सा. So this is what Jaggi Bhai is. Jaggi Bhai gives say that do your research and that's all you have to speak about. Stop saying what is voting and how much can you vote and shit like that, man. यार 2 minutes का conversation he made it 10 minutes. Faltugiri starts from middle of the fucking thing. See it? So this was the whole video on US elections. I am sorry I didn't get into a lot of details and technicalities because I feel it's too late for that, and you might have come across a lot of articles and videos regarding this, but give you a little idea of what things are. And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one.